Yes, there are some other things that a man supposed to know and a woman supposed to know before getting married. And these are the things. Number one, those people that did not support your marriage and they are your siblings or your parents. This my parents, this my father did not want me to marry you. Why are you telling the lady? If your father did not want you to marry and now you have disobeyed, you want to marry, and your father did not come out to tell the lady that I did not support you, why will you leak your father's secret to the lady that you just want to marry? That lady you are bringing into the family, they are giving birth to that lady. It's a small baby. The brains are open. Anything you impart into that lady's brain is going to give it times 100 to you back. So when you are doing this, you are telling that lady, those people that did not want me to marry you, they even said this. You begin to tell the lady, they say they did not like you. They say you are not beautiful. They said you will be wicked. They say this and that. All these things will bring family trouble in future in your family. Except if that lady, if it's Chineke baby, Chineke wife. There are Chineke wife, but they are few. There are even 10% of women that will just forget all those things and get married to you and still love your siblings and still love your mother and still love your father. You don't need to gossip your parents to your wife. A lot of men are making this mistake. But let me tell you, even some women are doing, some young ladies are doing, when their parents are saying, this, I didn't see good future in this man that is coming. Leave this man, especially when the lady is living with a man. He will table everything. Do you know what you are causing? When you will born your baby, your mama come on mugo, that man will show your mama pepe. Sometimes the man will say, in this family, I don't want your mother. That is one reason why you hear some men, some husbands giving names to the mother-in-law. That's because you told them that your lovely mother who wants good things for you, that have told you to come out of that place. I have seen one thing or the other that is not good in this marriage. It will not favor you, my daughter. You will take this thing to this man. What are you? Are you bringing hate? Are you bringing trouble? What will your marriage bring? I am telling you, and I'm telling you stories that you tell that will stop, that will bring very big problem in future in your marriage. Hear this. No matter how you gossip in your marriage, let it be good gossip. Tell that woman, my parents love you. Tell that man, my parents love you. Welcome them. Try to build this so that the man will have an open heart. You will welcome your mother. You will welcome your father. The woman will have an open heart. You will welcome your parents so that that marriage, that family, even when you are not there, you see your wife giving the best of her. Don't stop her. A lot of men, many men talk pra. Anything they discuss with their mother, they will go back and discuss with their wife. Anything they discuss with their wife, they will go back and discuss with the parents. All these things with what hinders marriage from becoming prosperous. That is all these things. A lot of young women, especially when I'm the only daughter in my family, you will see that lady. Anything the man do, he will run back. Only daughter. Is that the reason why you should be telling all your family members what is happening in your family? All these things will not bring good. If you change today, you will see that it will be better and things will go well. Thank you. Love Ada Family Team.